In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and let me show you how to activate auto capitalization on the following device. So at first, just reach the settings, then find and select System and go to Languages and Input. Here go to Virtual Keyboard and select Gboard then. Go to Text Correction, scroll a bit lower, and here you will notice auto capitalization. So once you want to capitalize the first word of each sentence, so it will be done automatically every time you write something, just mark this switcher. And this is it. That would be all. From now on, auto capitalization feature is on. Obviously, you can turn it off the same way. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.